Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish idiom. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to purchase amazing flashcards. Actually, there is a sale happening right now. You can purchase this flashcard set. It's 35% off, and that sale is going to happen only this week. I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below, and also to purchase the other flashcard sets as well. There are memberships on this channel. If you're interested in supporting this channel, here are the perks. And okay, here are the perks. Let's get started. The Spanish idiom of the day is morir de risa or morirse de risa. Also, you could say morir de la risa or morirse de la risa. It's a little bit confusing, but essentially you could say morir de la risa or de risa, or you could also say morirse de la risa or de risa. Morirse de risa, morirse de la risa. Morir de la risa, morir de risa. It's a little bit confusing. Sometimes you don't need this, la, and sometimes you can say also la. So either one works. You could use la or not. But essentially, this idiom means to crack up, to die laughing, or to die of laughter. Also, it could mean hilarious, hysterical, and laughing out loud, or LOL. It literally means to die laughing. Let's see a few examples using this idiom. Me morí de risa. Me morí de risa. This means I was cracking up. In order to use this idiom, by the way, you need to know the conjugation of the Spanish verb morir, morir, which means to die. Okay? So essentially we're saying that someone laughs so much that they're pretty much dying because of it, which is a little bit tragic, but yeah, morir de la risa or morir de risa is used when you're laughing so much that you can't stop. It's just too much, too funny, too hilarious. You can't stop laughing. Me morí de risa, I was cracking up. So if someone tells you a good joke, you can use this phrase for sure. Let's see another example. La película está para morirse de risa. La película está para morirse de risa. This means the movie is hilarious or hysterical. When something is funny, you can say morirse de risa or está para morirse de risa. And because we're talking about a thing, the meaning is hilarious or hysterical. And when you use the idiom for someone, it essentially means cracking up. Okay? Now let's see another example. Estaba muriéndome de risa. Estaba muriéndome de risa. This means I was laughing out loud, or I was dying laughing. Muriéndome de risa, dying laughing, and also laughing out loud. I think the literal translation would be closer to this. You know, when you are using this idiom right here, this is a really, really close translation to the idiom. But it's similar to laughing out loud, hilarious, hysterical, and to crack up or cracking up. Okay, An interesting thing to notice is that we are not using la in here. We're not saying me morí de la risa, but you can say it as well. It's correct. So you could say me morí de risa or me morí de la risa. Okay? Same here. Oops, my arrow is not that good. Same here. We don't have la, but you could say it. La película está para morirse de la risa. Or la película está para morirse de risa. Either one works fine. Oops. And lastly, right here, we don't have la, but you can use it as well. Estaba muriéndome de la risa. Or estaba muriéndome de risa. Okay, so that's good to know. That's why I have at the beginning of the video where I explain the meaning of this idiom that you can say la risa or just risa in this idiom, okay? Now let's see another 3 examples. Miguel siempre me hace morirme de la risa. Miguel siempre me hace morirme de la risa. This means Miguel always makes me die of laughter. Miguel is very funny in this situation, and that's why we're using morirme de la risa. An interesting thing is that you could say morirme. It's like saying dying myself. The next example is te vas a morir de la risa con mi chiste. Te vas a morir de la risa con mi chiste. This means you're going to crack up with my joke. So if you're going to tell someone a joke, you can use this phrase as well. Morir de la risa. To crack up. Okay? Te vas a morir de la risa con mi chiste. You're going to crack up with my joke. Okay. The next one is Miguel se murió de la risa cuando vio el video. Miguel se murió de la risa cuando vio el video. This means Miguel was dying of laughter when he watched the video. So if you're watching some cute Instagram video about a kitty falling, you might find that funny and you can use this phrase as well, or this idiom. Miguel se murió de la risa cuando vio el video. Miguel was dying of laughter when he watched the video. Murió de la risa, dying of laughter. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope you liked this video. Morir de la risa has quite a few meanings, but essentially we're talking about something funny, something that makes you laugh. And essentially it means to crack up, to die laughing, and to die of laughter. Hilarious, hysterical, and also if you're laughing out loud, you can use this idiom as well. Okay, that's it for today. This is an idiom that is very versatile, so that's quite interesting. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to purchase some amazing flashcard sets that supports this channel. You can download these flashcards and they're amazing. They're really helpful as well. Remember, there's a sale going on, so I'm leaving the links down below. Also, if you want to get a membership on this channel, just check out the memberships right here, and you can get different perks when getting one as well. You can also donate to this channel through PayPal, so I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below. Another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!